Maximize profits. Crypto news trading with Grok 4 intro. If you trade crypto, you know how noisy the market can be. Headlines pop up every minute. Social feeds amplify every rumor. And prices react faster than humans can read. What if you could filter that noise and turn headlines into clear trade signals? In this episode, we'll walk through how Grok 4 can help you do exactly that, and how to use it effectively so news becomes an edge instead of a distraction. What Grok 4 does. Grok 4 scans the web in real time, news sites, social media, forums, and applies natural language processing and machine learning to the stories it finds. It classifies sentiment, tags relevant assets and topics, and highlights items likely to move markets. In short, it turns raw headlines and chatter into organized data you can act on. How Grok 4 turns news into signals. When Grok 4 detects a cluster of news or a strong sentiment shift around a coin, it generates trade signals that tell you whether the market is leaning positive, negative, or neutral. For example, a flood of verified, positive coverage about a project upgrade or major partnership can trigger a buy signal. Conversely, growing negative sentiment or reports of exploits can generate sell or caution signals. The platform's real-time monitoring helps you spot these inflection points faster than manual reading. How to use Grok 4. Practical steps. Build and prioritize a watch list. Focus on the coins and sectors you trade so the signals are relevant. Customize filters and sources. Exclude low-quality channels, emphasize verified outlets, and tune language filters to avoid noise. Set sentiment thresholds and signal rules. Decide what level of positive or negative sentiment should trigger an alert for you. Use confirmation layers. Combine Grok 4 signals with volume spikes, on-chain metrics, or key technical levels before entering a trade. Backtest signals. Run historical checks to see how similar news patterns have affected price action for your chosen assets. Automate alerts and workflows. Route critical alerts to your phone or trading bot, but keep manual review for high-risk moves. Practice risk management. Define position size, stops, and time horizons before acting on any signal. Benefits you'll get. Time savings. No more manually sifting through dozens of sources. Faster reactions. Real-time sentiment flags help you move before the crowd. More context. Sentiment and source scoring gives you a clearer read on whether news is meaningful. Consistency. Predefined filters and thresholds reduce emotional decision-making. Pitfalls and best practices. News-driven signals can be powerful, but they're not perfect. Watch for echo chambers and recycled headlines that amplify noise. Be aware of attempts at market manipulation through coordinated posts. Latency matters. Verify the original source and look for corroborating signals like volume and on-chain flows. Always combine news signals with sound trade management, position sizing, stop losses, and an exit plan. Closing. Grok 4 won't replace your judgment, but it can turn an overwhelming stream of headlines into structured, actionable insight. Use it to spot momentum, confirm ideas, and shave reaction time, while still applying the fundamentals of risk management and strategy. Trade thoughtfully, stay curious, and let smarter news filtering become part of your edge in the crypto market.